exploring the comparative fault system in Tennessee car accident cases. Tennessee employs a comparative fault system, specifically known as modified comparative negligence in car accident cases. This legal framework is pivotal in determining liability and the distribution of damages when multiple parties share responsibility for an accident. It is essential for individuals involved in car accidents in the state to grasp how this system operates. Under the comparative fault system in Tennessee, both parties involved in an accident can be assigned a percentage of fault based on their respective contributions to the collision. The state follows a modified comparative negligence model, which permits individuals to pursue damage claims even if they bear partial responsibility, as long as their share of fault does not exceed 49%. The practical application of the comparative fault system starts with the process of determining fault after a car accident. This involves thorough investigations into the events leading up to the collision, the collection of substantial evidence, and gathering witness statements. The overarching goal is to establish each party's degree of fault accurately. Once fault is determined, percentages of responsibility are assigned to each party involved. For instance, if an individual is found to be 20% at fault for the accident, and the other driver shoulders 80% of the blame, the responsibility for damages is allocated proportionally. The allocation of fault percentages directly influences the damages that each party can recover. In Tennessee, recoverable damages are diminished in accordance with the assigned percentage of fault. For example, if an individual's total damages amount to $10,000 and they are found to be 20% at fault, they can recover $8,000, 80% of the total, while the other party would be responsible for the remaining $2,000. It is critical to note that in Tennessee, a party can only pursue damages if their share of fault does not exceed 49%. If they are deemed to be 50% or more at fault for the accident, they are generally precluded from recovering any compensation. Given the intricate calculations involved in comparative fault assessments and their substantial influence on potential recovery, it is advisable to seek legal representation. A personal injury attorney can serve as a strong advocate, gather compelling evidence in support of your case, and negotiate effectively with insurance companies to ensure that your degree of fault is accurately evaluated. This ensures that you receive fair compensation for your injuries and damages in accordance with Tennessee's comparative fault system.